guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Trip was different. I'm not stressed for road. Allah. My people, when I come to Libya, when I call your story, share this video, give me love. When I call reach Tripoli, where they for the cross, I not see anybody because this useless one. Even money to eat now manage. We know the seafood, but I the beer, I the pray to God. Only once now this useless elder sister come. Even the Serekia, none of them say, oh, my sister, oh, you even try, they even try for you. Take one dinner, take buy food. They were angry. They don't give me shishi. And I'm not still worried. The day when we want to cross, enter Italy, we enter sea, come. This useless gate, go they call my yebo, that is the woman who help me. Say, where we don't reach, we want cross. Now I got it because now we'll be sister. Got there and say, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow we will cross. Not knowing that this guy the verse. So now, when it don't reach, they don't call me, oh, and I'm not worried. The day when they cross, sea was so calm. And see, calm, nothing happened. Did you know that our boat capsized? They be walk by me for inside water. Me will be river picking. Oh shit, I me for further swim. Make a web of years then they be my me. Everybody, we were 120, now be 130. About 100 people die. They die. My dear, not now. Now, as the boat don't the sick, milk wait there with me, biscuit wait there with me. Hey, tell when I tell. Now carry on. Now I tell the sea. This one when I toss so water there here, because I hold everything for hands. Water don't dey my chest. Now I carry the biscuit, now I carry the milk. Now I turn on for water. Now I say, see, this sea no fit kill me. Now I say, even if everybody die finish, now I go do on top, I go see stay inside this, I go hold this rope. I go see rescue. Now I carry this biscuit, now I break, and now I scatter am for sea. If I lie, make this son ask me for hustle. Now I say, devil, enemy will lie. Now I carry my guitar. Now I throw her for sea. Now I carry the milk. Now I turn her for sea. This one, people they cry, people they buy. I don't get fear. Now I say, this you don't fit back me. Now I say, I don't fit back for sea now. As I pray that prayer finish, it don't reach 5 minutes. Rescue first us. Rescue when we don't expect. Say go come. See your sea rescue. Rescue you they come. Now so they take first us. Now me first enter the first boat. As I shout, I dress. They can't draw me because I wear jalabia. They can't draw me inside. We were the first. I was the among first people because people don't to die. I was the among first people when they enter ship. They were tying red in our hands. Red here. Danger. What I say, may my God do for me? Will not do for me. They almost said of you buy me for sin. Now lie you. Now we still first. Pope come welcome us. Pope for Italy. He come welcome our boat because Italian news carrier. 2015 July. I be June. I think 30 July. Pope don't wait for up because 2 sisters die. The girl will follow me by. Pregnant woman by. Pregnant woman by. 2 sisters by. Boys by. Girls by. Mother by. The bag was too much. The pikin, the Ghana man, when his wife get belle when he buy, he get pikin. I was the lady we call help her. See, they hold the pikin, make the pikin may not sick because his mama already done that water. Now so called they raise her. Make the pikin not buy. This one made they save my life. And you see they save the small pikin, like the pikin not buy. Oh, mama go. Not it one, but the mama come back. Because pregnant, the fear, many people don't get up, they call the margin because the boat is already sick. Me, I not sit down. I stand, I hold the rope. I call the soldier, I'm going to hold rope. People will not sit back for inside that boat. Now my courage, that means they don't buy. I said, I'm going to hold this rope. Because where that rope there, the lapa not feel sick for inside water. Now inside, now it's sick. So, who coffee get up? People don't get up. They call the margin, call the weight, call water, call enter. Don't tell me that God will not do. They be walk by me for inside water. Nothing do me. As Pope come, he come welcome all of us. Then they check us 100 times. Now we feel come out for ship for Italy, for whether La Patosa, where they call her, not be La Patosa. Now we feel come out for ship. When we cut the videos, then they check us. They don't use us, they play. They quickly carry up because now with the fair move, come out. One with red for her. Now with the fair carry come out. Go they check our body, they treat us. Come on, us. But God saved my life. God saved my life. Deputy say I don't buy. Deputy say I don't buy. Me die. Me will do sacrifice for see. I don't understand. I don't understand. Where people of about 100 and something, we not reach 23 where survive. The pikin, the Ghana man, when the wife get better, when he buy. Now pop, now they follow commot. If starter, now black, this thing, motorway line up when pop enter. The one where they follow Pope, now the motor now down one. And the papa, now so they take carry that man. And that woman, that man the pikin come out. Because before we reach Italy, they already called, they say, dead body too much for so boat. Dead body too much for so boat. So they can't wait for us. Pope, now that day I see Pope. I bought to her for Allah. I see her real life for not be La Patosa they call it. Now I be Sicily. That La Patosa I be Sicily. Be like Sicily, I don't call it. Down La Patosa of Sicily. I see Pope. Pope shake us. Pope shake us. Before they come start to the discharge green, pink, purple. We wear red feet, 2 hands. Red danger. Red. What I possibly go to for me, not do for me. Let me tell you, don't fit by me for water. Me when I not spend long time for desert, I not buy. Nothing do me, I not fall. God, they say don't fit by me because they don't go ask my neighbor. That one don't tell they say we go so cross. The country say don't fit back leg for God. Me. When I just they play. When I just they play at the end of market. Now the jealousy still there to the day. So as you go, I don't know why they take it. I need to run for my dear life. So then when I come, this year, that sister say not get money. She said she don't get money. Oh. I told you never say. Now she bring one girl called Ogbonisa. Human traffic. You will see the talk. Human trafficking. He can't go bring a coin. He want do madam. She and the husband be want to do madam business. Now the girl run leave her. The girl not pay shishi. She can't see collect my money. Tell go they do juju. They send my papa they go agbo. Make my papa they go they sleep inside coffee. Make girl for pay. Girl when he bring make girl for pay her money. She can't go they do juju. He said make my papa go in market. Make my papa go agbo. Make go they sleep inside coffee now stage. You forget to not be only you want this man boy. Now person say make up they do and you want to do ijo this one. The guy wrong. The guy back leave. Oniara. The guy not pay. He not pay that. This one a person will say she not get money when I dey Nigeria. This one a set of people will say they not get that. Make I wait. I just the enter when the years I enter, then send money. Because she don't want spend shishi for me. She want spend money give a girlie. He won't be madam. So he want spend money. So that madam they call guys. Share this video they call. Don't they laugh. Yeah, people. I never know it. Tell the video to people. Now, so I not see rich. So now they come outside, they talk. Not see. Say, Rekia, her market. That one they talk say, we are not sisters. We are not sisters. We be sisters. So my people show I don't hear them. So I want to give you this one. Pizza. I'll not give another thing when I want to tell you again. Before you talk to me, you'll go bring your husband pay slips. When I tell they pay your husband, how much your husband work, you'll go bring her. Who not get peace of mind? Chain and one eye they tell the see. Look at your face, very rough. Can take care the pizza. Your face is very rough. Go and clean your face. Your face is sticky. Thank you, mommy. MVV. How you doing, my love? Your face is sticky. Go and clean your face. Not be by marry when you tell they disturb. Everybody marry, get peace of mind. Many people marry, they don't collect shishi. You won't marry, because they begging money, they begging me money. What? Now you see the talk when I talk to the listen. Go bring with your husband till they receive salary. Go bring with your husband till they pay for house rent. How much should they pay? Let from there know how much. She no say for Germany, how's the cost? How's the cost? You see, if you see the inside city. Not before Jack when you go heights for many years. And you go show your kitchen. You are blessed, boss lady. Thank you. You go show your kitchen. You go bring receipts when you take buy your kitchen sets. Okay, no. You go bring receipts when you take buy your kitchen sets. Yes. You go bring all your man till they pay your house rates. Both light bill, gas bill, water bill, and house rates. What soon? You will bring them. Then after that, we don't do men competition finish. Me and you go do competition. Started from Peking. They know. Started from shape. Started from clean body. Me and you get competition when we want to. Because after this video, message when I send you, you don't do one. That means you know where. If you come outside, they follow the turn. Me and Sarah can matter. If you don't show me order of your breasts, me and you will be women. We go do competition of armpits. We go do competition order of breasts. We go do competition of tummy. You get that? We go do competition of skin. What two? We do competition of that one. Yes, this is do me and do you go around the dress, of course. Decades! Pizza. Then we'll go to competition of children. Then we'll go to competition of responsibility. home and abroad. We'll come do competition. Which responsibility you get for Africa? You made. Or go with money you are. You'll go bring responsibility when they carry for Bongo. For 5 people. Yes, you will bring them. Every month with receipts. Not before your own. With receipts. Every month you will bring them. For 5 people when you they take care of. Okay, no. Then I'll bring all my receipts. After then, we'll go start. Wetin person don't get for Bongo now never wa. And I will wa. More well at more well at. On a fake life. On a fake life no too. More well at more well at. Wa me mo. Now me they do. My husband, very lazy idiot. Your mate they sell something online. They find business. They do nothing you feed you. Lazy motherfucker. Imbecile. Your mate that they do something online. My husband, married to more too. We'll go to competition in Iowa. What's up? If all those things not complete, as I posh like this, as I cute like this, beautiful like this, I know they talk to you. And I mean it. Until you show me your kitchen, show me your apartment, show me your house bill, your payment of your house, the best slip of your man. Before you say your man pass my man, you bring your husband clothes out. Well, shower when you buy. You pack your clothes, come outside for wardrobe with swat too. To sell 50,000, 50,000 and how much? Now to sell 50,000 when not reach 35 euro. Go buy something for Nigeria. They mad. Or go Utu. Practice for yeah. Leave shower with the back off for Nigeria. Come African food. You know how much I take they buy African food in a month? What so? You will get 100 euros. Money your high so. 100 euros nana. But big money. Almost 150,000. If you send me, you send a go out, they'll take buy food, can't give you. And what do they do? Me, they go store, go they buy sweets. So that they use 400 to the buy bell. If I want really buy many things, I have to go for, I go find where I want a region. If I have goats, they don't have to go buy goats. It will be 400 and something. What bell? Who don't get us of mind? You know they know. And when they buy my uncle, where I own. Now by marriage, by fire marriage, when you marry, when you got the fear because your mother-in-law say you don't go agree make you become marry you. You can't quickly use a bed with a shower money when you do quickly say a bed in the mark quickly take one. You do your own, then you get peace of mind of your own. Don't be disturbed for other people. I choose to live my life the way I want it. I'm an adult. I choose to live my life the way I want it. That's why I have peace of mind. What so? You and your man not see work. My husband, when we win out. Oh, yeah, gwali winner, hello, boy. What so? Other for no man be winner. No man can not gwali winner. Your man don't know how to find work. School, you not go. Very dirty idiots. Yeah, man, when you marry, not go school. You want to use my man to compare your man. Your man will be mechanic wash or they Chris. Uzu, you don't know your mates. I deal with graduates. Easy, why you not deal with graduates? Make tissue things. Well, villager join villager equals to villager. Mumu equals to mumu. Mumu. Man, when they carry the go, when they say you don't know how to put cassava for TOT. Say now you they show how to put cassava for TOT. If you want to throw away water, go they come up prick, they do because that's where go Libya for how many years? You know they do toto. As your friend will be snob, pursue you. Now you carry a friend, then you begin to do the father. Sometimes you buff. Something you bought for. You hear say I bought for my ma friend. I buy the face shame. Too. So my lovely people, thank you so much. You hear say I bought for my boyfriend friends. Or you call yourself, I call Libya Jamie. I call go to Duvanga friend till I call bought my shoko guess for him. He pay you. I want see boy came from my mom because I will always be the head. So now be this one of it tell me with that Yoruba man because when I don't see my star and destiny. Wow, too. The day when I get trance, that day I leave that man. I be spiritual person. When they get the trance before, when the trance clear to me, say I don't supposed to belong here. This is not my place. And that day I leave on. Really, today I don't see lights. I don't see lights. When I be there, I be say, then make when I come in, you say make I go back to the Yoruba man. Because they don't tell you. You don't see her. I don't fit tell me with her. Now, children not they blackmail me. They don't grow. Now they operate their bank account now. We're not going to call them on a record. We're not going to call them make on a record. I don't understand. We're not going to call them make on a record. Oniara iberibe. Stupid motherfucker. Children don't grow now. They want for. He pen now. When I come outside, he don't fit born no. He don't fit do this so. Just to drive mama. Just to drive mama away. Just to cause quarrel. Make I show you my cute son. Look at my cute son. Look at my cute son. See ya. Look at my cute son. You see ya? You see fine boy? What so? I tell myself, I'm gonna leave my children alone. You see my son shining sweet or give me love. If you see my children, now me born there. I can never abandon them. You people know say I don't feel abandon my children. It's based on the man they eat my money. But many people did not know my pain. You see my cute son. He say without because he go zaza that your picky kids. He go give her belly. What two? Chabona say I know they call them. They not do the my first one they show so. Not be my second one, not be my third son. Wagbeo. Wazara. See Pikina. See Pikin. You see her. See Pikina. They see her. You see Pikina. Begomo. See Pikina. Abadan. But away. It not be any but you women go kill on herself. Jealousy na worry now. Una probably be bring up whether me and mama go separate. That's it. Rubbish. That's called nonsense. Ara nonsense. See my second son. You see how? Me I not show no my second son I be that. Agbeo. Who are two? Yeah, foul. Yeah, they smell. Now see picture now. Shame say not go let you na even post am. Shame not go even let una post am. Serekia bodogo nye 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 nye. Nye 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 nye. Sia. You dey see her? You dey feel her? Are you feeling it? If I post, then everybody, social media will catch fire. You see her so cute. Get easy, boss on, no fian. Now make you boss on for Nigeria, not fian joao. Now me come on in my baby father. But they pursue you. They beat you, put pepper for your eye to drive you to leave their children, to leave their pikin. They not beat me, oh. Pizza, they not beat me, oh. Your husband mama call put pepper, your husband mama, your husband's sister. She marry you. That man marry you that time. Man when you born your first son for when it buy. He marry you. What two? You when they drive with pepper and salt inside toto. My good now. Now me decide when I see chance. Now me decide to leave my baby father. But you don't get much. Now they drive you. So tell husband, mama, and your boyfriend, your baby papa, when you born son for when you give wish. Now your mama and the sister can drive you. They put pepper for right. 1, 2. So my lovely people, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you all. Wetin they be say? Serekia, we are sisters. We be sister, oh. We be sister. As for me, nothing they pay me. I don't already do my thing. And the reason why I say I shed tears just based on the stress when I don't pass through for my junior one. Stress when I don't pass through because of them. Not that I'm crying, because they say the girl see they do me. No. I'm very, very happy. Serekia, Igbo man, no come, oh. No carry pikino. Your son is cute. Shy. Yes. But you got born out and your own control way. The table have turned. The table don't turn. Nah, sister, come born because we not get papa. Serekia, no dey talk and say me and you not be sister. Serekia, our saga will last for how many months? No dey talk say me and you not be sister. Me and you will be lovely sister. We be lovely sister. We be lovely sister. Yes, we go remain sister forever. It shock you. So you think say me not go do you back? God go bless you. What to continue? When my baby, I want to marry your son. I know my son never reached to marry. I never get money for baby teeth. My son never reached to marry. I never want to carry grandma. I never want to be grandma. No, because if my son now, you say, you want to marry my son now, I call this now. Now come they say, mommy this so no. No wahala. You want to marry my son, no problem. Can you imagine? Shall I don't show you the picture? I'm taking good care of my children. They are doing fine. Not be your kids. Wetin make kids never go call them now. Now yeah, mumu kids go call her. Now he call me say, mommy, see wetin your sister call the top for you. See wetin your sister call the tell my dad you. Now he carry wetin una talk come tell me. He no shock you. Because say he cute. They not say my son not cute. They say na but away. I just dey look una. I don't want to know anything about me. Now opposite I dey give una. I don't want to know anything about my life, anything about me. I know what. Not to post my children, cut the propaganda. No. I don't feel like it right from the one. You get it? But I just want to show a little bit. More than no, say my children are going well and fine. I be the hair still bush. I beg, please. Picture small when I see us now. They be like picking way dirty. The children be like picking way hair bush. She wanna say calf hair. She wanna say calf hair. Even though I don't show all of them, but the look, we're not gonna say not dirty now. Abi? We're not gonna say it's not dirty now. It look good. Yeah, people. Your children. Go call my pikin and say you won't bring her heart now. This is what I've been fighting for a long time. I know how many person they use my pikin people. I don't need them. Anything I tell them, anything I give them, they will be able to do it the way I say. Not be say make I give one person go use the money, and they go come be like say, I know they try. Mine. So my lovely people, I'll soon round up, guys. Thank you so much. Serekia no kukbo mo shuao. Serekia. I'm not saying me. I don't talk. If you like, you say this, so you do cause I don't care. I saw you don't get picky, we go let me wallow. I saw you don't get picky, we me go feel lay hand on. I said if you're by yourself, buy the picky, then chapter close. If not by yourself, buy the picky. I dey here for you. I said to boy momodu bewa by to by. I'm a man who will be bewa. Ima who will be here. I don't want me to become a guy again. I want me to be any time. We will see her. We will see Tico. You know, if you want to eat meat, me no finish. We'll go buy Tico. You only have me a silo anytime, any day. I'm not gonna post a picture for my wall. No, I'm not like you. Thank God I don't even have Africa cat. I can never post a child in my wall. And I can never post it in any of my page. No, I don't need it. You get it? I don't need it. If Nancy says they don't the poster for your wall, you sell for my wall. I don't like it. But let people just deal with you. People in Africa come in and they pepper you. Useless human being. I tell my deal. I don't need you my help. Money when I collect, not believe me, I go to the give you no money. I get you want talk. You say me carry the money, me can carry the money, collect money for Sarah hands. I can't go give Babalawo out to. If I say me I preach juju paper now for you, now you will die to away. Even if I'm a bug boy. Now you they go juju. Not be juju ask you this thing. How about bodia? You will go sleep. No sleep. Go to call the daughter for us. Wetin make you never feel achieve good thing for your life. Ukpabo leleyo. Mele lukpabo. Amen. Ele lukpabo. I don't get time for juju. Wole lukpabo. Carry my name go juju. Go ask. If me come do one, me come the say Rekia no go pon where you dey kolo. You where or go where? I'll do her pay back. I'll do her pay back. If I tell you me spend money, me say I take get belle, no believe. I spend money, me say I take carry belle. Una not really no sister una get. I have never do her evil or take her name to let it daughter to kill her or to useless her life. No. Now make una have not reach me. I need them, I pray. Spend money, make it carry belly. So that I will say something they lay hand on. I was the happiest person when he finally confirmed and said she get belly. I can't get Gigi. Before you up where I come back, he can't born. He to a ozuo. Heavy. Now me no one near now. I know they come. It. When I be say I go cause pain. I know they come. If I don't see something to use that money to do, when they use 1,100 to buy tickets, I'll send and give my children. If they give me one, because Jebu now say I carry my responsibility. And I don't carry my cross now. Which one because I'm going to spend my money for now. Now let me probably collect that money. Yes. I don't feel they give you now again. Let me probably collect that money. I no carry go juju. You do bobo. I believe when you do me, I do you. You now, Babalawo, you dey go. You don't get that confidence to defend yourself. Me, I'm a confident woman. Okay? Confidence woman. Now I be. Mama. I know they sleep. They call, guys. Yeah, I play music before I know something. Children. All of them. All of them don't come for school already. It's good anyway. Give me love and light, my people. They don't sleep. Very good. Please give me love and let me and play music more cause they go. Serekia, I just pay you back. Iwa me fionwe woto. Yes, nothing more. I just decide to give you back. I don't know. Play music. Baby, we not get Give me love a lot, guys. Vera not a lie. I make sure I give you woto. You don't have I believe you pay back. Do me and do you don't know the best. Just so they make all of my cry. Corporato. Give me love a lot, guys. Oh, make my they make all of my cry. Show you what your true story. So make you follow Vera television. You think that they joke? Not they happen. No lie. Now what is she know? Now she no talk. Oh no. I be truth finder. Now truth I take the beat now. Me not the beat now with fake. A truth me yak bomber. I tagga Sarah now I give farm. Meme, I do fake. Even when people say, Vera, why you not wait to your first screenshot to pick it? But when I bring the tip, she quickly not go post the picky. Me, I don't understand. Huh? Yes. No. No manner. No manner. No problem. Okay. No manner. No man. That is it of it distract me. Nah, that one. Okay, thank you. Ika peserekia. I target you. I do well. Una say na me the founder. This say me read the founder. Need to na friendship. This thing when I do now for not do now. That means sense not there. If I didn't need to na friendship, I should say, I'm going to beg. You know what the beg? I'll go play all the recording. But not be now. I never get the time. Maybe 3 to 4 this time. But Sarah, me and Sarah, and I did this one first. You say me call the beg. Make sure say you bring the proof and evidence. Because all the recording, everything there with me. Everything will talk as long as they call me. As they talk, as what they donate money, everything I get about 8 to 9 records. He there with me. Hell, you say me call the beg. Me call the beg. I call the beg what to. Play your own, I play my own. No. Now this truth I think they beat you now. I don't know because they cry. I'll see that guys. You not be lying, boss baby. Thank you for the glory.
And if you want to hear the good gist, if you want to hear the true gist, make sure you follow the Vera television program.
Ika sweet. Yes, I'm happy. I take revenge. I'm the most happiest person on this social on this social media cyberspace. I take a revenge. That's for you people to know that I don't send you now. I take revenge. Say the care markets. You think I go lose guard for any of you now? See, they won't gather. Or for wetin me don't do for her. Kate, come as I can't talk what you don't do for me. Or for wetin me don't do for una gather against me. Now that day I remove una for anywhere. Now that day I wash una comot. So I say, blood sister. A pa jabona go bless. Now sister be sister. You no get sister better past. All those one. You no get better past. If you don't see sister, don't they worry you? They don't they worry you. They don't they worry you. No say they no good. You know say it get grace when you carry when make them they cry. You have to run. You have to run. Let me run for my dear life. If I'm the person who really needs you now, I'll go spare now. I go back. I go get me and you since last time. Me and you don't talk. You say with the talk. Get bring record when me and you take the talk. What bell and they can't play all the recording, but not be now. I have about 8 or 9 records. Get play record when me and you take the talk. What take the talk? When I take beg you play. What soon? Me lose guard for now. I can never lose guards. I can never ever lose guards. It don't finish. Ariana. Alright guys, see you guys tomorrow, my lovely people. See you guys tomorrow, my lovely people. The to see continue. Say Rekia. Now go buy that bastard. Me no good. Me will get man for house now. Say me no marry. Una sister will come bomb Bastina, no husband. When me see the bomb. Mama, you say this mama so. My children know why I dey talk about her. This mama was so. You know they use the children play with Percy. This mama, if I born when I born my last born, he stopped work because of this. You know they give picky to anybody. Do you know that my mama go bath the children? He go cook. He give them. He go pay them for sleep. If they go give you for sleep, they go carry the corn. He go carry the corn. You know the kind of say, I better me take care of that the corn. What? He know they grow. Now you go there. Now they take care of my children. If I want boy, they get peace of mind. I know they say, oh, I don't know my pikin go come stay with. I don't know he go come deal with. I don't know he go come deal with. No, if they deal with her, if they go say carry the corn, come greet me. If I dey get belly like this, anything I want, he don't go. The time will day our former city. He don't because of me go do Zedorf. I be Essen. No, not be Essen. One place for Dortmund. Go buy ECU for me. When you get Belena, you TCU. Get one fresh, get where. You get one store when it take Dortmund. That store for Dortmund. Then they say Afro food. The person said don't block the store now. He go from my city, go buy ECU for me. Anything I say I want it, I go eat. See your pikin now. Look, mama anointed baby. May you look your baby. Pikin way mama eat well. You see your pikin make me logo. You go wear an oversize. Sarah, pull your pikin body, may we see. No problem. But I know we don't concern me. I know what. Now talk them. Forget that matter. That one not be problem. Make they cry. So for me, don't take revenge. Now forget that. I beg, see, please, oh. As I don't take my revenge, you go. I don't need anybody who like to cry me a river. They know. They must cry. Yes, they must cry, my darling. As far I do the Wetin shock them. They must cry, please, oh. I know they distract. Who like to cry not tomorrow? Me. I consider reply. Any smelly person, I beg. No, not right time here, no need. I want to see it here. No. Who me know now, my lovely sister, when you walk on the deny me process. Who me know now, my lovely sister, when you walk on the deny me in the process. Maybe I know now. I began another person when me shock. Not be my lovely sister, I shock. I don't understand. Look, mama, not that baby. I look at baby. I bet which one fresh pass. Thank you, my lovely people. When I not see, I bet if I do like video, when I not mind it. I don't care. I don't care. Oh, I don't care. I don't care. So far, I revenge. So far, me revenge. So far, I revenge. Pay back. I saw me if you do that payback. Who like it crying out tomorrow? I don't care. People think that they drag the picture up on me. But I don't post off my page. Wow. But I revenge. That is my happiness. I revenge. Who like it cry? You know, concern me. So guys, see you guys tomorrow, my lovely people. Time don't go. See you guys, my lovely people. Now me I say I can't get matter. And I mean I will get it forever and ever. Now I won't call the dynamic. Yesterday they say they live video, they say now your sister. He said no my sister, that one, not my sister Botro, why not be Botro? What too? Go bring my children picture not to call me Botro. Say Rekia, go bring my children picture for Nigeria. Come call me. What I do now? Pay now. When I tell yourself now do I not take out my children because I have already been doing it before. Then it's gonna let me talk. I don't care. If me not give said I want to now, don't forget the cry. No, don't not cry now. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Choose. Love you. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.